How to fix a paper jam in the HP LaserJet Tank 1020, 1500, 2500 printer series. If you receive a paper jam error message on the printer control panel, on the HP Smart app, or if the paper icon and attention lights begin blinking, then you may be experiencing a paper jam. First, press and hold the power button to turn off the printer. Then disconnect the power cord and USB cord if there is one connected. Open the rear access door and the transfer access door to make removing the jam easier. Caution: if you see a jam, do not remove paper from the rear area of the printer. Remove any pages from the input tray and the output tray. Note: after each step outlined in this video, if you locate and remove a jammed piece of paper, reconnect the power supply and try to print a page. If you are still receiving the same error message, disconnect the power supply and proceed with the next step. Step 1. Clear a paper jam from the output tray and rear area. From the output tray, if there is any visible jammed paper, carefully grasp it with 2 hands if possible and slowly pull it horizontally to remove it from the printer. Keep the transfer access door and the rear access door open while removing the jam. If the jam is not visible from the output tray but is visible in the rear of the printer, follow these steps to remove the jam. Caution: do not touch the toner drum, as this can cause permanent damage to the drum and cause defects for future print jobs. If the paper is jammed in both the transfer area and the printer base, hold the side edges of the paper and remove the paper jam from the bottom first and then from the transfer roller. With both hands, slowly remove the jam from the printer. Once the jam has been removed, close the transfer access door and the rear access door. Step 2. Clear a paper jam from the printer base. Carefully flip the printer on its side. Pull the blue latch towards the front of the printer to unlock the bottom panel, then pull the bottom panel outward and remove. If there is any visible jammed paper, carefully grasp it with 2 hands if possible and slowly remove it from the printer. Step 3. Clean the pickup roller. Cleaning the pickup roller on the printer will help prevent future jams. To do this, gather the following items: a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Lightly dampen the cloth with the water and squeeze any excess water from the cloth. With the printer on its side and the bottom panel open, press the cloth against each roller and rotate it away from you using your fingers. Apply moderate pressure to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Wait approximately 10 minutes to allow the pickup roller to dry completely. Pull the blue latch towards the front of the printer and insert the bottom panel at an angle to align it back into position. Then release the blue latch to lock the panel in place. Carefully flip the printer back to its original upright position. Step 4. Reset the printer. With the printer plugged in and turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. If you are still experiencing the same error on your printer, you might need to have it serviced. Contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact-HP to schedule a product repair or replacement. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.